It can be tricky to tell if the guy you have a crush on likes you back. If he likes you, he'll probably make eye contact, get close when you talk to him, and use friendly, open body language. You might notice him smiling at you a lot, or catch him looking at you when you glance his way. On the other hand, if he avoids looking at you, doesn't smile much when you chat with him, or leans away whenever you try to get close, he might not be interested. Pay attention to how he talks to you, too. If he gives you his full attention, pays you compliments, or teases you in a friendly way, there's a good chance he's into you. However, if he seems distracted all the time, keeps his answers to your questions really brief, or looks for excuses to end the conversation, he might not like you back. Of course, it's possible that he does like you but is too shy to show it. The only way to know for sure is to ask him. Look for a chance to chat in private and ask him what he thinks of you. Say something like, "Hey, I really like you, and I was just wondering if you might feel the same way."